The days of drafting with a pencil have come to an end. All of our drafting now will be done using our mouse. Let's take a look at the functions we have available on this computerized drafting instrument. Now I'm going to start by opening a drawing. So I'm going to come up to my File pull down, and I'm going to select Open. And in the Select File dialog, I'm going to come over and select the Mouse Functions drawing. This is the drawing that we'll use to learn the various features of our mouse. I'm going to come down and click Open, and that'll bring the drawing up on screen. Let's talk about the left mouse button first. Now the left button, or the left click, allows us to make a selection. For instance, if I come over and left click on this line, I've just selected the line. If I left click on a dimension, I've just selected the dimension. If I come over and left click on a toolbar icon, I will launch the command. In this case, it's going to be erase. Let me left click, and notice those lines are gone. So the left click allows us to make a selection, whether it be entities on screen, icons in a toolbar, or options in a pull-down menu. Let's talk about the right mouse button, or the right click. In AutoCAD, a right click will bring up a menu. So if I right click in the middle of my screen, notice AutoCAD pops up a menu. Now this menu is context sensitive, meaning that it'll change depending on when and where I right click. For instance, if I come down and right click on my command line, I see a different menu. This menu has to do with my command line functionality. If I come over and right click on a toolbar icon, AutoCAD will bring up a menu showing me all of my available toolbars. Let me hit Escape to clear the menu. What if I highlight a dimension and then right click? Notice in the context sensitive menu I have options right here that are specific to dimensions. So the right click feature in AutoCAD will bring up a context sensitive menu. Let me hit Escape to clear the menu, and then I'm going to hit Escape to deselect my dimension. Soon the left and right click functionality of your mouse will become second nature, and you'll wonder how it was possible to draft in the old days using a traditional pencil.